This is the worst toy known to man, dude. Here's it. And she's like, where's it at? This is my bag, my Kindle bag. Super cute. A lot of stuff that's up here is my makeup slash all my like junk journaling stuff. So I just need to kind of reorganize everything. Oh my god, I hate this thing. So I'm gonna get rid of this riser because I realized I'm gonna get rid of this riser. I had it when I had my work from home job and I had like 2 monitors that were up here. It just gave me more space for it and stuff, but I no longer work from home and I realized that when I film, the height is a little awkward for my little tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of that and probably give it to like my mom or my in-laws or something. All of my makeup brushes are like uber dirty. I need to wash all of them, so I guess that'll be part of my task today also. Fishy, give me that, please. Thank you. You guys want like a little tour of my little makeup area? I am more than happy to give that to you. I think I mentioned in my previous video that I don't have a crazy big setup like I did before. I had like the Alex drawers and all this other stuff, but I just have this little white cart over here. It has like the few little things. Fishy. Hey, what are you doing? The people love you, by the way. They want to say hello. This is one of my favorite brow glues, and as you can tell, it's kind of almost empty and it looks disgusting. Yeah, this is the NYX the brow glue. It's really, really good. Also, my hairs are pretty gross. I don't know if anybody else's fiance sheds as much as mine does, but his hair is literally fucking everywhere all the time, 24/7. It's really annoying. As you can see, I mean, I probably have more makeup than just still the average Joe, but yeah, like let me show you. I still have this Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. Like, you barely can even read the palette anymore. Oh no, let me show you. See if I can open it. Look. I still have it. That's crazy. I hit pan on Champagne Pop and I was almost hitting pan on what was the other one called? Prosecco Pop, that's what it was. But yeah, that's crazy. And I know she doesn't have her brands anymore, but I have all of my Jaclyn products too. Yeah, love her. My cat is trying to attack me right now, and I'm like, girl. Alright, I think that was all the makeup. Have a regular video today because everyone in the household's sick. I am okay, I guess. Like, a little bit stuffy. My son has an appointment at like 1:30 or 1:50, I think. Look, here's my junk journals. I don't normally show people my junk journaling, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys at least. It makes me so happy. I love my Harry Potter one I did. That was cute. Yeah. I've also literally had these nail stickers that I got that was supposed to be for Halloween. They're literally eyeballs. And I was supposed to have them to do my cool nails for Halloween. Did I do that? No. Am I just adding to my sticker nail collection? Yeah. This is my sticker nail book that I have. Obviously I have other Halloween ones, but I have a ton of cute ones. Hope you guys can see that. I've been wanting to use these bug ones for the longest. I think they're so cute. But here we go. Filling up the journal again. Alright. These are my very dusty glasses I'm actually supposed to wear. They're Swarovski. They have my numbers for my eyeballs. I'm supposed to wear them at night. Do I do that? No. We get home on hopes and prayers. Alright, let's get this baby put back together. Okay, rearranging it again because I did not like it. Gonna move my Kindle and my little reading lamp. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't know if you can or not. I love this reading lamp. It's got some makeup on it. But I'm gonna move these somewhere else. Alright, here's my little setup. She looks so cute. All my Van Gogh paintings are up there. I love it. She looks adorable. Just a friendly reminder. Take care of your space. Make it yours, make it comfy, make it smell good. Whatever that entails. Make it you. Make sure that you guys take time to take care of your own little sanctuary for your own peace of mind. Okay, love you, bye.